So good morning everybody. We are prepared for day 9. We're gonna do the Serpentine today. Adrian and Joseph are all packed up.
Good morning.
We are in Dubovik, just outside Chetinia. We're gonna do the Serpentine. This was our lovely cabin over there. We slept good, right in the nature. And we're excited for the day ahead to do this famous Serpentine, and we're gonna pass again the horizon bar. We'll see you later, stay with us. Ciao! So we just left our B&B place, our cabin. It's currently 7:15. We are on our way to do the famous Serpentine that is situated in Montenegro. Takes you all the way down to the Kotor Bay. Kotor, it's a very nice place. It's like a medieval place, and we're gonna spend a couple of hours over there roaming around and stuff like that. We left early because everybody recommended to leave early, because when there is cruise ships and stuff like that, it's very hard to pass with cars, motorbikes, and even there it will be very crowded. So just to go and visit it peacefully, we just decided to leave at 7:15. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see with the Serpentine, guys. With this amazing view of the Kotor Bay down there, we're gonna go down there. It's around from the horizon bar, let's say, from where we've been yesterday to the bay down there to Kotor Bay. It's around 20 kilometers of full hairpins and curves and stuff like that. So, yep, we're gonna start it now. It's quite windy today, it's very breezy. The temperature, it's perfect for riding. It's around 20 degrees Celsius. And that's why we left early, so even for the heat it doesn't like annoy us that much. This is where we've been yesterday, where we stopped and had some couple of photos and a small platter. And this is where the fun starts and all the road that takes you down to Kotor Bay. We have to be quite careful because the road is quite small. As you can see, it's not that wide, and there's cars passing as well, so please be cautious. Don't let the adrenaline goes into your brain. Just be careful. At some parts there isn't even like shields, nothing, there's no barriers, which with a bike you can pass easily between these like sort of holes over here. Look at that fantastic view, guys. Unobstructed view. Here we go. It's nearly 8 o'clock in the morning, guys, and I can tell you that we met lots of traffic already. Not that intense, but there's locals, I think, going to work and stuff like that, so you're never gonna find it empty, but it's manageable. tight corners and very narrow streets, huh? So welcome to Kotor. I think that road wasn't part of the Serpentine. I think the GPS passed us to save a bit of a road, so but it was quite nice and tight and challenging, so it's okay, nothing to be concerned about. So yeah, we've been up there, as you can see, and we came all the way down here. We are in Kotor now. So here we are, we just entered into Kotor, and this is what we saw from up there. Now we came all the way down here. So it's around 20 kilometers from the horizon bar to down here, as I said earlier, and it's quite a nice road, and you end up all the way down here. As you can see, once you arrive into Kotor center, it's quite a busy area. 3 hours, and we decided to fill up our stomachs at Taraka restaurant here, Restro Bar, and we have avocado toast, and Joseph opted for Mamma Mia because he's hungry, he said. And we have a fantastic boat tour for 3 hours. We'll see you for the boat tour, guys. Ciao! We are at Kotor Bay, and we just opted for a boat tour, a 3 hours boat tour. We're leaving the Bay of Kotor. It's a bit windy, so we might catch some waves too. So yeah, beautiful scenery. So we're trying to hold still, because we are battling the waves, because the wind is quite strong out here. Adrian suppose gave us a relaxing day yesterday or the day before, horse riding, and today he told us let's do a tour around Kotor with the bay, with the speedboat. And I can tell you that the avocado breakfast, I'm gonna throw it up soon. Anyway, hope it will be worth it. So yeah, we're gonna take us to a cave and stuff like that, so it's a bit windy here. that's it for today's video. Really did enjoy the Serpentine road from the Horizon Bar all the way to Kotor Bay. If you are around the area in the summer months, I'll suggest you that you take a 3 hours boat ride and you can swim in the crystal clear water. The views from the sea are stunning as much as from the land. See you the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.